It's finally time to assemble our new RDWC system. We've ended up with a total of 13 parts with this design. Now let's put it all together. We'll be starting with our reservoir bucket. Next, we're going to attach our lower pump assembly. The lower pump assembly consists of a 1-inch threaded bulkhead connected to a hose barb adapter. Using 1-inch tubing, we'll join that to the hose barb adapter on our pump. Next, we'll connect the pump and the upper pump assembly. The upper pump assembly is attached to the pump with another length of 1-inch tubing and hose barb adapters. This is reduced to 3/4 inch with a bushing and then heads to our valves. One of these valves heads off to a garden hose adapter, making it easy to drain the system, while the other heads back into the reservoir. We connect back to the reservoir with a 3/4 inch bulkhead. Next, it's time to connect the drain assembly to each side of our reservoir. Now it's time to start attaching our grow sites. We'll start by adding the 2 rear grow sites. Next, we'll be connecting our internal supply junction to our upper pump assembly. This will allow us to connect our supply line assemblies to both sides of the reservoir. This is going to allow us to easily attach our last 2 grow sites. Now we'll add our elbows to the grow sites that help direct our water. And last, it's time for the lids. And just like that, we've designed, built, and assembled a new compact waterfall RDWC system. Next up will be the leak test, a very important part of the build. Have you ever built your own RDWC system? Would you prefer to build your own or purchase a pre-built system? Do you have any advice for those looking to build their own RDWC systems? Let us know down in the comments. Once our new RDWC system passes the leak test, it'll be time for a cleaning and then its first crop. I hope we don't encounter any major leaks that send us back to the drawing board. And I hope to see you next time here on Show Me Hydro. Do you want to see what I'm growing? Join us over on Twitch at twitch.tv/showmehydro. You'll be able to see what's happening in the grow tents 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can even control the view yourself with chat commands. The live stream can also be viewed on the new Show Me Hydro Live YouTube channel, as well as Kick and Rumble if you prefer those platforms. So join us live from the grow tent. I hope to see you there. Would you like to support the channel? Head on over to patreon.com/showmehydro to get all the garden updates, early video previews, harvest watch photos, and behind-the-scenes content you won't find anywhere else. Have you got a question you would like answered? Is there a topic you would like to see discussed in a video? Let me know in the comments and I'll see what I can do. If you enjoyed this video, remember to click that like button and subscribe.